putting the wrong sides face up so that I can apply the cotton batiste underlining. Pressing to help align and help the two layers adhere to each other. Be sure to use good steam if the fabric you're using can take steam. Pinning basically down the center of each piece. Again, that helps stabilize it so you can pin around the edges without the two fabrics shifting. If you're using a silk for this type of top, test in a scrap to see if the pins create holes that will show. If so, you need an extremely fine needle and you need to use silk pins. Notice how I'm rolling this up a little bit. This part of this particular piece, the bust area, curves, well, the whole piece, it curves around the torso. So by rolling it up the way I'm holding it with the underlining on top, it allows the red to be a fraction of an inch wider. It scoops in the white fabric a tiny bit so that when you're finished basting it, it has a slight, almost imperceptible roll to the fabric. That helps it roll around the body better. See how the bust area rolls up? Again, that will help shape around the torso. If you liked this video, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and spread the word.